Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel in this week's episode of Antics. I'm so excited. So much has happened this week. Again, last week I didn't have a chance to record because I was so busy doing that freelance project, and this week has been very similar. So many things have happened that I don't know, I wasn't going to record, and then that thing happened again where I wasn't going to record because I didn't think anything was going to be interesting this week, but then loads of things happened and I was thinking, oh, should I record? Oh, I've already kind of got through the week, maybe I should just do a big collection video at the end, and that's where I'm doing it. So, roundup video about what happened in my week. Oh god, so much has happened. So last week I submitted a project for a freelance design position and it was like 3 to 4 days a month, so that's really exciting if I was to get that, and I had feedback on it today, so that's really exciting. So I'll just tell you quickly about what they said. The consultant said that she really liked my project. She sent it over to them and they have also said that they really like it. Now that doesn't mean I've got the job, it just means that they like it. So they're going to give me more feedback next week at some point, but fingers crossed, so far it's looking good. I'm hoping that they come back and say that they like the work that I've done and they'd like to carry on working with me, because that just means that I can broaden my experience and make it a lot broader. This week I actually woke up at the beginning of the week and I was not very happy. I woke up and I just felt a bit down. I mean, the last couple of weeks I've been so busy. I've been doing projects, I've been having interviews, I've been really making the ball move. This week not much has happened in terms of interviews, project submissions and all of that. So the first half of the week I was like, a bit down. And then the second half of the week a lot more happened. So, you know, this is kind of it though. When you're redundant and you're searching for a job, there's going to be like peaks and troughs. You're going to have a few days where it's going to be really chaotic, really busy. You're going to have loads of interviews, loads of project submissions, and then there's going to be a couple of weeks after when it's kind of a lull and you're waiting for feedback and responses. Now, talking about feedback and responses, as you know, I submitted a project for an international job and I'm still waiting for a response. It's been 2 weeks and really I should chase them, but because I've gone through a recruiter, I don't want to be too pushy. And when I actually initially applied for the job, it took them about a month to get back to me anyway, so I'm kind of thinking it's just a little bit slower to sort of get back to people, and who knows, they may have had quite a few interviews and project submissions, so they'll probably want to really look at it and make sure that they're happy with the person that they're going to employ. So probably early next week I'm going to do a big chase and see if they want to employ me. So I've also applied for 2 jobs. As I've said before, rather than applying for anything and everything, like I've said to do, it's just getting to the point where I'm applying for these jobs and it's taking up my time when I could be really focusing on applying for a select few jobs. So I'm only really applying for jobs that really speak to me and really think I have a chance for. And also if recruiters reach out to me, I'm going to apply for jobs with them as well. A recruiter did reach out to me and said that they had an outerwear job, done outerwear in the past, so they put me forward for that, so that's really exciting. Still waiting on a response for them, but we'll see. And I also applied for 2 other jobs. Now these jobs were in accessories. We'll see, and hopefully we'll hear back from them very soon. Now the really exciting thing that happened to me this week only happened this morning and I'm quite excited about it. So my old employer, when I was getting made redundant, I was really open with them and I said, I really love this job. I would love to come back. I would love to, you know, potentially freelance for you in the future. They already had a freelancer at the time, but that freelancer is going on maternity. So they have reached out to me and said, would you like to apply for this? And I said yes. So I am going to go for a freelance opportunity with my old job. So that's really exciting for me because I love that job and I really liked working for them, and then just to be able to say that I'm freelancing for them is for me a big deal. It will really help subsidize my earnings. So, you know, if I got this freelance job, I don't know how many days a week it would be, probably like 2 days a week. And also if I got the other freelance job as well, that'd be 3 days a week, and that I think would be enough for me to be able to live off while also doing my Etsy and my YouTube and all of that. Just keep your fingers crossed for me because I'm very excited about it. I think I just want to touch on something that I spoke about earlier, and that is waking up and not feeling exactly enthused or happy or anything like that. Over the past few weeks, it's been really difficult for me. On YouTube, I present this kind of atmosphere of positivity and all of that, and I do have a positive mental attitude when it comes to applying for jobs, and I do think confidently when I'm applying for jobs. But in this current climate, it's very difficult to stay positive, it's very difficult to stay motivated, and it's very difficult to be energetic and, you know, get up and go and all of that sort of stuff. And I just want to say that it's okay if people have off days, it's okay if people have off weeks. This week has been quite an off week for me. The first half of the week I didn't really do much, I didn't apply for many jobs. I kind of just, I don't know, was kind of feeling a bit weird, especially when I wasn't seeing many jobs come to the forefront of my applications. And after I've applied for, I don't even know how many jobs I've applied for now, it must be in the 50s or 60s, you know, to have applied for that many jobs, A, not to get many responses at all, and B, when I do get responses, it kind of fizzles out majority of the time, or, you know, after speaking to them, they want to go a different way or wherever. You know, it's very demotivating. I just feel that after applying for so many jobs, it kind of gets to you a little bit, but you do need to stay positive, you do need to stay active, you still need to get on that train and get the ball moving and get it rolling. Just getting up early, having a shower, getting dressed, getting ready really does help. And I think that's what I've not done at the beginning of this week, is what I've done in the past, which is I usually get up about 7-8 o'clock, I go downstairs, have a drink, watch a bit of TV, then I come upstairs for like 8-9 o'clock, get ready, have a shower, do all of that sort of stuff. And this week I haven't done that, and because I haven't done that, I've really felt down. And I think that's it. You need to check yourself every so often and just think, okay, no, get yourself out of this funk, get yourself out of this atmosphere, out of this headspace. Just get up, get ready, and get stuff done. Now that I've been applying for jobs for, I don't know how long, when was it? July there, I got told I was being made redundant. Still no job. It's just difficult. There's a lot of competition out there, and the competition is really good. I'm a great designer, but there's always someone out there that could be better than you, that could be more right for a role. They could be what the company's looking for in terms of the way that they design, in terms of the way that they CAD up and all of that sort of stuff. So I can't really get down on myself. I can't really get down and say, oh gosh, these people haven't employed me. Why haven't they employed me? Well, they haven't employed me because maybe I'm just not a right fit for the company, and that's what I need to keep remembering. But overall, positive news this week. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. And please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy CADs and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life, and it really helps support this channel. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Tra tra tra. Bye.